This time, we have 6 blue pencils, green 8, red 3. We're going to add more red pencils, and probability of selecting a red will be a third. How many red pencils were added to the box? Okay, so we start. Red pencils represent a third. That is, after we've added the pencils, more red pencils, the number of red pencils that we'll have will represent a third. That means the blue and green represent 2/3. Blue and green represent 2/3. So 6 plus 8, which is blue and green, is 14. And 14 is 2/3. Now ask yourself, if 2/3 represent 14, then you know that a third is a 7. Because 2/3 is 2 lots of a third. So 1/3 will have to be 7. So if you know that red must now be 7, but you now have 3, to work out how many more you need to add, you need to take away 3 from 7, and that will mean we need to add 4 more red pencils. So that means 4 more red pencils were added for probability of red to be a third. And it makes sense. If 7 represents a third, then 14 represents 2/3. And that brings us to the end of lesson 1. Look out for lesson 2 for relative frequency and experimental probability. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you very much.